if you don't remember your Instagram password, you are not alone. There are many people with the same problem, and there are ways you can find your password inside your phone, and I'm here to show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is open your Instagram and head over to settings. The first option says Account Center, so you're going to tap on that. And then I want you to tap on Password and Security. And from this list, you're going to choose Change Password. And then choose the account that you want to find your password for. Now here, as you can see, it tells you what time you updated your password last. And maybe that could be a sign to help you remember what your password was. Obviously, it's not going to show your password anywhere within the app because Instagram doesn't want other people to know what your password is. But there is also another way that you can find what your password was. What you're going to do is that you're going to head over to Chrome and search Instagram. And from here, you're going to tap on Log In. And here, as you're going to see, it's going to use the password that is saved inside your phone from before, like from the first time or the last time that you changed it. So if you just do this and then Face ID, tapping on this icon, it's going to show you your password, and then it doesn't matter if you log in or not. Another thing that I wanted to tell you is that inside your settings, if you tap on Account Center and again, Password and Security, and head to Saved Login and choose the account that you want. Here, if you turn it on, it is going to save your login info. So next time you are going to log into your Instagram, it is going to show your login info by default. So you don't need to remember your password specifically. I'm sure you are not going to find tips this useful in just any channel, so make sure you subscribe to ours.